Okay, I'm gonna start to move here. There you go. Yeah, nobody's behind me. Okay. Yeah, very exciting. And you know, they just bring it the old good old-fashioned way right up and down the road from point A to point B.
Do you ever feel really small when you think about space? What about when you're standing next to a skyscraper or a really big bridge? Well,
Control T-minus 3 minutes and counting. We've completed our communications checks with the Apollo 8 astronauts in the cabin, and the communications are go.
The head bit.
Oh!
So, say that's a question we'll have to ask her. 17,500 miles per hour.
Take a chill pill. They can say, sounds crazy. They can say, but it's mine.
That one was dead inside this hole.
This rover is still going strong for us. We expect it to keep working until between 2035 and 2037 before it runs out of fuel. The one back there went up in 2011. It just shut down last month when it ran out of fuel. These machines do incredible amounts of work for us. They have a drill bit and also got a shovel bit.
He was like, Artemis is the sister of Apollo. So if it's a twin sister, why is it been so easy to just do what they did?
This is more like health and safety now. I don't know.
Don't know. Yeah. Well, these are cool.